Hey guys, welcome to our channel eCubeAway. Today I'm going to talk about a game, MetaKing. I hope you will enjoy. Let's get started with the video. MetaKings is a battle world powered by artificial intelligence in which anybody may earn tokens via competent gameplay and contribution to the ecosystem. Players may engage in combat, acquire resources, grow their characters, and contract a land-based kingdom for them. While MetaKing is still in the early stages of development, it aims to be the number one BSC game in terms of daily, weekly, and monthly active players. The primary distinction between MetaKings and a traditional game is that our participants are rewarded for their contribution to the ecosystem via a blockchain economic framework. This new gaming concept has been coined play to earn. Thousands of gamers from underdeveloped nations have flocked our MetaKings in the search of fresh revenue sources during the COVID epidemic. Many of these participants are dads, aunts, and even grandparents who have never heard of blockchain technology. MetaKings A1 is organized as an ever-expandable digital world. The MetaKing core team will collaborate with the community to develop functionally for the game assets linked with the MetaKings brand. Above all else, the MetaKings world must be enjoyable. Only an engaging game experience can attract enough players to generate value to the network. The MetaKings core team produced the initial fighting system based on the MetaKings game assets in August 2020. The fighting system was modeled by the unique battle methods seen in games such as Demon's Soul and God of War. The MetaKings development team began work on the real-time card warfare system and application in March 2021 and plans to release an alpha prototype in December 2021. As the Demon's Soul, which has gone through multiple revisions and used a variety of various fighting systems, we anticipate MetaKings to have numerous battle varieties in the year to come. The MetaKings combat system is well suited for competitive players and esports because to its skill-based competitive characters. This, we feel, is the vital part of future development, as seen by how involved players become when money is on the line. Players of MetaKings have already won thousands of dollars in Binance rewards via a variety of events run by the core team or third-party sponsor. Based on established concepts in non-blockchain mobile games, MetaKings automatically enrolls all players in a free-to-play economy in which their in-game activities are monetarily rewarded by the long-term value appreciation of their MetaKing. As the player upgrades power and cosmetics, grinding raises the theoretical worth of MetaKing NFT. Free players medallion effectively builds sweet quality. Once a certain amount of time and effort has been put in a MetaKing, it becomes valuable and tradable in the decentralized marketplace. At this stage, players may either sell their game characters to other players looking to acquire a MetaKing in order to get an advantage in the game, or invest in the long-term worth of MetaKing, which is determined by the demand and rarity of its development features. Let's know about the game characters. They are so much mandatory in this game. The game characters are King, Queen, which also known as a witch, Rock, that also called Chariot, Knight is called Horseman, Bishop that called Archer, Pawn that called Pikeman. Each characters would be unveiled as the project commences. Isn't this sounds interesting? Why don't you give a shot? You won't regret, I believe. Thanks for being with us.